Ford Focus local trade-in. Maintenance performed by John Sinclair Nissan. Oil and filter changed. Tire rotation. Engine performance restoration. New brakes. SYNC.brbrOdometer is 56,297 miles below market average. 2636 city/highway. MPG Reviews. Nimble handling. Refined and quiet ride. Attractive and well-made interior. Abundant list of upscale and high-tech options. Source: Edmundsbr It. Only takes a glance to see the all-new 2015 Ford Focus dynamic new look. One that commands attention from every angle, showcasing an elegant profile with clean, flowing lines. Ground your Focus with stylish wheels. Choose from a wide range of designs available on S, SE and titanium models. Options include 15, 16, 17 and 18 inches. Inside you'll find an equally stunning cabin. The center stack is reimagined. The tech is inspiring and there is even a new lineup of available seats on all models. Focus is as ready to make things happen as you are. Standard features including the communication system that helps keep you connected and the rear view camera that helps you see what's behind your vehicle were designed to not only complement your drive but make it more convenient. SYNC, voice-activated technology helps you keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel now comes standard on all models. The standard 2.0 liters Ti-VCT I-4 engine is flex fuel capable, so you can use either unleaded, E85 or any combination of the two. The Focus Electric runs exclusively on electricity, keeping you on the road and away from the pump. While the 252 horsepower 2.0 liters EcoBoost engine in the ST is efficient and packed with power. And the newly available 1.0 liters EcoBoost I-3 engine provides both performance and efficiency. No compromise is necessary when it comes to the 2015 Ford Focus. Source: the manufacturer summary.